Hey everyone, welcome to this daily stock forecast. Okay guys, let's go over the markets here. I want to start with this daily SPY chart. As you can see, we are still hovering around this high pivot resistance from the end of May. As you can see, last week we pierced the level, now we close below it, and now we're making an inspired off bear flag inside this big red bar. So my expectations for tomorrow is, if the Fed cannot support this market, we can see a small correction here. The first big level that I see for a possible long play in the near future is this level here, the 165.24. There will I cover my long position. I'm still short in this market. My entry was just below this double top. My entry was 168.80, so I'm basically right in the money here. So I'm looking for a down move here. First we have this minor support, the 20 moving average with this gap window, and I'm looking for this gap fill as my first big target on the downside. My second level will be this pivot low right here. Let's do in a trend line here around this area. That will be my second covering area, the 160.50. Okay guys, let's jump over to Facebook. I'm looking to pick up a small short position tomorrow if Facebook can gap higher. As you can see, we're coming into this this gap fill. The actual gap fill is right here, the 38.23 area. I'm looking for a push higher tomorrow, and I will grab a small short position. I will use a $2.50 stop loss, so my stop will be around the 41 level. Second short level that I see will be this pivot high right here, the 42.09, and then this 45 as the ultimate double top. Okay guys, if this thing can pull back, I'm looking for a few dollar move. So the first level to cover my my short will be the 35. It will be my first level, and I put a break even stop in. And this will be my second level right here, this pivot high from a few months ago, the 32.50. Okay guys, let's go over some scalping levels from today. The first one that I sent out to Twitter was this mosaic in the pre-market on the peers of 37. I ride this long play out for a quick dollar. So as you can see, the big daily level was this 38.40 to 37.70. It pierced this level, pierced the 37 level, and from that point on the stock went higher. So it was a quick and easy trade. Okay, let's jump over to this the normal time frame. Okay, another long play that I did was US Steel on the peers of 18. My entry was 17.94. I grabbed a quick 10 cents on this trade, and then the stock came back in and stopped me out on the second half. And then the last thing that I traded was National Bank of Greece. As you can see, some buyers stepped in, pulled back to the 20 moving average. So my long was 3.57, and also on this trade I grabbed a quick 10 cents on this small cap. Okay, let's go over some scalping levels for tomorrow. On the downside, the first big level will be this double bottom from Friday, the 167.52. And after that, let's zoom in here. The other big level that I see will be this area, the 167.12 to basically 167 even number. This will be also a major level. Okay, let's go over Apple here for some scalping levels. As you can see, Apple is pretty strong. It tested today this daily inverse head and shoulders neckline. I'm still looking for a close above this level, but first I think it must consolidate here before another break higher. So let's keep an eye on this chart coming days. Okay, on the long side, the first level that I see, we have a small gap fill around 447.82, but actually I'm looking at this level, the 446.63, and then we have the 200 moving average around 443.16, and then we have this recent pivot high around 440 even number. Okay, resistance on Apple. Alright, the first big level that I see will be the 454.29. This double top right here. And then we have the 457. And then we also have this consolidation area right here, the 461. Okay guys, the last chart here will be ExxonMobil. This morning I was looking for a long play on ExxonMobil on the double bottom from yesterday. As you can see, the stock went sideways just above the level, pierced the level. So I didn't take the trade anymore. I hate when it consolidates just above the level. And then it went almost to the next level, this gap fill at 93.43. I was looking for an entry for a long, but it missed it by a few cents. So for resistance on ExxonMobil for tomorrow, the first level that I see will be the 200 moving average. Current price is 94.39. And then we have this gap fill at 94.76. And then we have another gap fill at 95 even number. And then this pivot high right here, 95.30. So on the downside, let's look for some support. The first big level that I see will be this area, 92.77. And then we have this level right here, 92.40. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come join us on Twitter and have some fun, and I see you all tomorrow.